Hello, I am Dr. Angad and I have attended this conference second time. First time last year I went to Hyderabad and now here in Delhi. And I must say that a lot of effort has been put into this thing under the leadership of Dr. Senthil, and I heartfully thank him and his team for creating such kind of event where non-academic conference has taught many of the doctors, right from those who have just come out from PG doing their MD or MS or DOMS, to those who have already been practicing for 40 years, whether they are into government service, whether they are into NGOs or private hospitals or solo practice, how to scale up their practice and what all options are there in the world and what is going on in the field of ophthalmology. Everything is discussed under this forum. So I have very good feeling and takeaway messages from this type of conference, and this is, I think, I don't know whether any other field in medicine is having such kind of non-academic conferences. So this I urge everybody to in future just attend such kind of conferences. Thank you to Senthil sir and his team.